Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. My goal today is to get this Evo 8 100% tuned. We started the tune yesterday. We got 2 revisions in, I believe, either 2 or 3 revisions in. Had a few little issues with the car. We got those fixed and now it is time to finish tuning. We just went out this morning and I did some data logging on the car. Data logged it twice with 2 pulls. She's a ripper. Came back into the shop and 2 things. Number 1, blew out the dipstick. So I need to tighten up the dipstick tube a little bit or just put bigger O-rings on the dipstick. Number 2, we have coolant everywhere. So this thing's just such high boost levels right now. We actually lifted the head. I'm kidding. It's on like 10 PSI. But we have coolant everywhere. That's not a lie. All this right here, all this wetness, is all coolant. So pretty much all that's over here. Upper radiator hose, lower radiator hose, the feed and return for the turbo, and the thermostat is right there. So one of those things is leaking, and it makes sense now because the other day, I checked the coolant level and it was way down. I don't really feel like fixing it right now though, that's the problem. Because I just want to go send it, but I should probably fix it. Where is it leaking? I'm just gonna tighten all the hoses. So heater core hose is a little bit loose. See if it's wet in your wrist though. Fairly dry over there. It's not any turbo lines. Oh, found it. Alright, so that's fixed. That one's not leaking. Yeah, we should be good. So here's kind of the plan for today, guys. We have so many little things to still fix on the car. ABS sensor issues, AYC issues. So as we're data logging it, like in between tunes, we're just gonna come back to the shop and fix all that random stuff. Round 2, actually let me key in that boost gauge real quick. Boost gauge works. It's sick. That's some sick mods right there, bros. That's how you properly install a gauge pod. Just, you know, set her on there. It's pretty sick. All right, let's dip. Getting there. Not bad. Wow. 22 PSI is a boost. She's really built. First ripper of the Evo, as a matter of fact. Kind of fun. And it's holding too. It's impressive. We're on revision like 5 or 6, and I think we're pretty much finished up. So we're gonna do a little pull right now, see what it makes for boost. I think we're trying to shoot for around like 27, tapering down to 22-ish, depending on if the wastegates can hold or not. But yeah, I guess we'll see. Feels solid. Stoked, bro. It's making more power than I thought it would. First blow up of the day. Yay! That was the intercooler pipe for sure.
It sounded not good, whatever it was.
Thank God we're on speed density. If we were on MAF right now, we would not be driving. Sick. Way too much boost, you know? That extremely built life. How's it going? You need help with something? Have a good day, brother. Oh, that's good. That's good. And that's not good. Yay, we blew an intercooler pipe. pulls were very, very successful. She's definitely making some really good power now. But in the meantime, we are gonna, wait, I gotta send them the logs. We have 2 bad ABS sensors on the car. We're gonna go ahead and swap those out right now. This ABS sensor on the driver's front is actually missing. So let's get that fixed. That's my ABS sensor. That's on the car. Nice. Might have to pull the hub for this one. Usually they're seized in there. We're gonna have to pull the hub off. I don't want to pull the hub off, but we have to pull the hub off. You ever seen that method?
There's a whacker a few times.
You hit that and it shocks it out.
No, I haven't seen that.
Dang, you learned something new today. So we ended up having to pull off the entire hub because ABS sensor is stuck. But now we can just, you know, give it a little love. Okay. All right, we got her good. Old ABS sensors out, new ones are ready to go in. Let's get the hub back on the car. Get the ABS sensor on, and then I think one of the rears is also messed up, but I don't know which one. ABS sensors all finished up, wheels back on. Now over the last few days, I noticed an oil leak that keeps getting worse and worse. And now it's getting like really bad. That was just from like the 15 minutes it took to swap out the ABS sensor. Every time we pull the car in the shop, it leaks oil. And 99.9% sure it's coming from the O-rings in between the tranny and the transfer. I'm gonna take a look real quick. Yeah, it's gotta be it. It's super wet. Common problem on these damn things, though. Well, that sucks. I definitely wanna get that done sooner than later because, yeah, I just don't like leaks like that, especially when it's leaking that much. I don't have the seals yet, so I'm gonna go order some right now. And as soon as they come in, we can do it. It'll be pretty easy on the lift. Just slide the transfer over to the left. We're gonna reset the ABS system and then scan it again and see if we have any more codes. I'm pretty sure there's a rear code. Sick. So I got in the car, lifted it up a little bit, spun the wheels. The second I turned the wheels, the ABS light went off. So apparently there's just one bad sensor or one missing sensor. I remember when I read the codes though, there was like 4 codes, but they all could have came from that one sensor. And now I wonder if my AYC will be fixed. If all 3 lights light up again, we're gonna have some issues there, but so far I can use it to tarmac, gravel, snow. It's working. This should be our very last log. So we just loaded on the new map, 2 more poles, and then we're gonna do one where we're just straight ripping it from 2nd gear, 4th gear, all the way to 7,000 RPM in 4th gear. So we're gonna have to obviously go down to, I think like Cancun, Mexico is pretty close. So I think we're gonna head down there and do the pull down there. So that'll be sick. So not only that, but I'm also gonna watch for the ABS light, see if that comes on, and then the AYC tarmac gravel modes to see if those are good to go as well. Dude, if we fix all that with one sensor, that'd be nutty. Yeah, bro, I think we're 100% on the ABS. KYC issues, one sensor. That makes me, you know, kind of excited down below. Stoked with how it turned out. Hell yeah! That dude sent it hard! What? What? Bro! what is this, Need for Speed or something? I believe we're 100% finished up tuning the car. Car runs absolutely amazing. Big shout out to Chag Tune for getting it hooked up. Next mission of the day. Oh wait, and ABS system and the AYT system. 100% good to go, no issues there. Next mission, fix all this bunk. Extra bunkness. Check this out. This is the worst handle of them all. They're not all this bad, but this one's pretty warped. So we're gonna head down to Elko Tin Shop. We've decided we're gonna do all these black anyway. So 3M black, gloss black vinyl should stick a lot better than the Avery in the first place. And, wait, I'll just show them when we get there. Haha. Look at this big boy. Every time I come here, it makes me want to mod my truck out like now. Look how ugly mine is.
What's up, guys?
What am I doing wrong?
See, it's just this right here. It's just such a big curve.
I'm just a noob.
Here.
So this here is the new lift for the Duramax. Big shout to Elko for the gift. It's a big old bit. I don't even know what size it is. What is this, a 5? 5 or 6? One of the two. All right, we're all finished up with all of our goodies. Everything went gloss black. I think it's gonna look super, super sick. Let's get it installed on the car. And then we owe Chag Tuned one more pole, and on that pole, he's gonna do a virtual dyno. Kind of give us a rough estimate of where the car's at for power-wise. If I had to guess, I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna go ahead with like a 308 wheel horsepower. Little incident happened to where we couldn't really go rip tonight. Got the handles, like, I was about to put the handles on, then I realized this square right here, this little piece, that was still blue, so I had to wrap that black. And also, Chag doesn't tune after 6 p.m. I believe, and it's already 7 o'clock. So even if I go out and data log this thing, I still won't get any numbers tonight as to what it's putting down. But let's just say, you know, 315 wheel is what she put down. I'll know for sure tomorrow. Also, I got too lazy, so I didn't put the mirrors on. I'll do this tomorrow. I'm saving a lot for tomorrow. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. New lift is in, sick. I think all the truck mods are in now. We're waiting on like one thing to lift the truck, and that's it. Coming real soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, I'll see you tomorrow.